Hello everyone, my name is Burak and I serve as the Divemaster Coordinator at Buddhaview Dive Centre. Our Padi Divemaster Training Discovery Local Diving Workshop is a comprehensive program designed to immerse participants in the world of local diving environments. Throughout this workshop, our goal is to equip Divemaster trainees with the practical experience and in-depth knowledge needed to navigate and explore the unique characteristics, challenges, and attractions of local dive sites. During the Discovery Local Diving Workshop, participants will embark on an exciting journey of exploration and discovery. Under the guidance of our experienced instructors, they will have the opportunity to visit a variety of local dive sites, allowing them to gain invaluable first-hand experience of the underwater terrain, marine life, currents, visibility conditions, and other factors that define each location. One of the key components of this workshop is dive planning. Trainees will learn essential dive planning skills that are tailored to the specific conditions of local dive sites. This includes understanding how to assess weather conditions, interpret tide charts, identify entry and exit points, plan dive profiles, and mitigate potential hazards. By mastering these skills, participants will be better equipped to ensure safe and enjoyable dives for themselves and their future dive buddies. Navigation skills are also a fundamental aspect of the workshop. Participants will have the opportunity to practice underwater navigation techniques that are specific to local dive sites. From using natural landmarks to mastering compass navigation and mapping techniques, trainees will learn how to navigate underwater terrain accurately and confidently, enhancing their overall diving experience. In addition to technical skills, the workshop places a strong emphasis on environmental awareness and conservation. Participants will gain a deeper understanding of local marine ecosystems, marine life behavior, and the importance of minimizing their impact on the underwater environment. Through interactive discussions and hands-on activities, trainees will learn how to become responsible stewards of the ocean and promote sustainable diving practices. Furthermore, the workshop focuses on enhancing customer service skills and dive leadership abilities. Dive masters play a crucial role in guiding and assisting divers during local dive trips, and our program aims to cultivate effective communication, problem-solving, and leadership skills in participants. Through practical exercises and role-playing scenarios, trainees will have the opportunity to hone these skills and build confidence in their ability to lead dives and provide exceptional service to divers. Overall, the Padi Divemaster Training Discovery Local Diving Workshop offers a comprehensive and immersive learning experience for aspiring dive masters. By providing participants with the skills, knowledge, and confidence needed to navigate and explore local dive sites, our program prepares them to become competent and responsible leaders in their local diving community.